Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through how to set up your Telegram account so it automatically deletes itself if you stay inactive for 12 months. This update makes it easy to have full control over your privacy and data, and I'll guide you step by step right on the Telegram app for PC. First, open up the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner of the window. You'll see 3 small horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on them to open the main menu. From here, select the option labeled Settings. This will bring you into all of your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps most of the controls related to safety, privacy, and how your account behaves. As you scroll through the Privacy and Security section, look for the heading called Delete My Account. Under this heading, you'll notice an option that says If Away For. This is the setting that lets you choose how long your account will stay active if you stop using it. Click on If Away For, and you'll see different time options appear. These can range from a month to a year. To make sure your account deletes itself only after a full year of inactivity, select 12 months. Once you've chosen 12 months, don't forget to save your changes. Telegram will now keep your account active unless you go a full 12 months without logging in. If that happens, your account and data will be automatically deleted, giving you peace of mind and control over your digital presence. And that's it. Simple, fast, and secure. By setting this automated deletion period, you're ensuring that your personal information doesn't stay online longer than you want it to. So if you're planning a long break, or you just want to know your data won't remain unattended, this is a smart step to take. I hope this guide helped you set up the feature with confidence. Thanks for watching.